Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Welcome. In this video, we will explore how to effectively double your computer's RAM. First, you need to assess your current system. Determine your existing RAM's capacity, for example, 8 GB, and its type, such as DDR4. Next, consult your motherboard's specifications to find its maximum supported RAM, which might be 64 or 128 GB. Finally, count the number of available RAM slots on your motherboard, as this dictates how many new modules you can add. Choosing the correct RAM is crucial for a successful upgrade. Always match the new RAM's type, whether it is DDR4 or DDR5, to your existing modules to ensure compatibility. Also, verify that the new RAM's speed, measured in megahertz, aligns with your motherboard's supported speeds. For instance, if your current RAM is 3200 MHz, aim for that speed. For the best performance, consider buying RAM in matched pairs, like two 8 GB sticks, to enable dual-channel mode. Now, let us move on to the physical installation. Begin by completely powering down your computer and unplugging all cables for safety. Carefully open your computer case to expose the internal components. Locate the RAM slots, which are typically long, narrow slots near the CPU. Gently push open the small clips at each end of an empty slot. Align the notch on the new RAM module with the slot's key. Then firmly press down until the clips snap into place, securing the module. After installing the new RAM, it is time to verify the upgrade. Close your computer case, reconnect all cables and power on your system. Once booted, access your computer system information, usually found in the control panel or system settings. Here, you should see the total amount of installed RAM, which should now reflect your doubled capacity, for example, 16 GB. Finally, monitor your system's performance over the next few days to ensure everything is stable and running smoothly with the increased memory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.